Alright, so in this video we're going to be replacing this 3/8 Sturgis female valve. So the company sent me a 1/4 inch different style valve. It's still going to work just the same. So all I'm going to do in this video is pull this off and show you how to replace this. Pretty simple. You only need a couple tools. I used a big 12-inch crescent and a 11/16 wrench for this. I also used some plumber's tape to seal up the line. And I'm going to go back through with some soapy water and make sure all the lines are not leaking. So I just tried to loosen this. Try to loosen this up, and this thing completely busted off. These screws are completely rusted out and just broke right away. Probably better just to put some regular bolts in there instead of like self-tapping screws. May take a little more time, but it's broke. So. Alright, there you go. This is the propane line going to my barbecue grill. So it just plugs right in. And you use your barbecue grill. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave some comments below and let me know what you're working on. Shush. Shush. You're being rude and interrupting. You're interrupting. He's a very big dog. He's barking at me because I'm not paying attention to him.